my name is Lenka and I would like to share with you what I have received today in my first delivery from Abel&Cole. As you can see, it's totally unpacked. I'm going to do it now, so I'll be really surprised what I see. I don't even remember what I have ordered, as I've done it last week. So yes, let's go for it. So I'm gonna show you what I have received and what I use it for. Okay, so let's do it. So the first item is 100% dry sourdough. Now all of this is vegetable. All of this is vegan, as I don't eat meat and neither dairy, no eggs. So it's all vegan stuff and organic. Okay, so this is sourdough rye bread. I love sourdough rye bread, so I'm gonna try. We'll see how it's gonna be. So the next one, it's quite heavy. What this is going to be? Oh yes, I remember. What I like on this company is they don't only offer food, they also offer ethical products such as household cleaners, which I need some. So this is a bathroom cleaner. I haven't used this one before. I have used some of those products before, but not this one. So it's new. And a multi-surface, non-toxic surface cleaner, as well as is from Method. So see. Now you also get a card, welcome card. This is from Abel&Cole. It's quite lovely. This is a driver was Lee, lovely guy. So let's do it. This I can see already are carrots. I love juicing, so I have ordered. Wow, lots of juicing carrots. Whoops! There's soil coming out. So this is going to be my 1 week of juices. So I'm gonna put this in a cool. So I'm gonna put this cool. So put it on the side. Get rid of this. Okay, box number 2. Now I got 4 boxes. Okay, 4 boxes to go through. As you can see, it's a very lovely packaging. It's no plastic. I love it. It's all, as you can see, just string and cardboard boxes and just paper bags. It's very ethical, isn't it? Very good. Oh yeah, it's the plastic here, but what is this? Oh, it's for cool. Oh, it's amazing. This is supporting British wool. This sleeve is filled with 100% pure wool to keep your food cool and fresh. Cool, huh? Please leave this out for your driver so we can use it again and again. Thank you. Oh, okay. This is not organic. I mean, this is organic. This is not vegan, but it's ethical. So it's good. Never seen it before. So let's turn it. And some ice packs. That's cool. Quite a few. 4 ice packs here. And what I've got here is tofu. This one was original tofu, and this is smoked tofu. I love to use them for vegetables, for stir fried. So I use it as a stir fry with veg. Lovely meal. So it's going to go into the fridge. Yogurts. We don't eat much yogurts, but sometimes we do. It's something different. So this is a natural I do believe there is no sugar in there. This product is soya D. So this one is a French product. And I love coconut yogurt, but there are out there not the best deal, but this is quite a nice one, and I like there is no refined sugar in there. There is no emulsifiers, neither stabilizers. It's gluten-free, soya-free, non-GMO, and it's plant-based yogurt alternative. So it's actually in there, what is there? It's only young coconut meat, coconut water, coconut cream, coconut sugar, which I use for baking as well, cacao powder, and live vegan cultures, and all organic. Amazing, isn't it? So I can't wait to try it. So it's gonna be my tomorrow's breakfast. So that's organic coconut yogurt, and here is raw sauerkraut. It's really good. It's a fermented product, and I haven't tried this brand before, but I have tried. I have eaten organic raw sauerkraut, fermented sauerkraut, which is really good for your digestion. So I usually have it along with cooked meal in the evenings. So this is it. So yeah, there is some plastic, but anyway, minimum, and all wool stuff. So it's great. So I'm gonna return this next time to the driver so they can reuse it. There you go. Now box number, which one is it? 3. Got 2 more here. 2 more go. Oh, this is so beautiful. I don't know if you can see. Let me just take a look if you can. This is lovely. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, we got lovely mini melon. So that's gonna be our breakfast. You can also, I also like to, especially if I have a bigger melon, I like to blend it, and we have a melon smoothie just like it. Just nothing added. Well, yeah, a little bit of water to add it, but that's it. Nothing else. Because melon is best to eat alone. Pineapple. Organic pineapple. Where this is coming from? This is from Costa Rica. Nice, really nice. Looks like a good quality one. So I love fruit salads, you know, all of this. It's just lovely, vibrant colors, nice tasty salad. Coconuts. These were a good deal, just £1 for each. Normally I get them in the shops like 80p for a conventional one, but this is an organic one for £1. It's a good deal. What I do with these, I make coconut milk from scratch. There is a video I have already recorded, you know, to use coconut milk, to make coconut milk from scratch. Looking forward to it. And what is this? What do you think it may be? Oh, it says over here ginger. So this is gonna be, I like to use ginger root in my juices. Just a tiny little bit, not too much, otherwise it's gonna be too bitter. So I use it in my juices as well as in winter time. I use it, grate it, and I use it in tea, so herbal tea. Some organic garlic. There's lots of garlic coming from China. Make sure you do not have it. You don't want Chinese produce or no. So take a look, and do not try not to buy garlic from China. And beetroot. Yeah. Again, I use beetroot in my juicing as well as stir fries. That's how I use my juicer. As well, actually, I use them in combination with. If I have some cabbage, I use cabbage and beetroot as a salad, a raw salad. It's lovely as well. So look at that. And one more box. Last box. So I think it should be the fruits. There should be more fruits coming. And then, ooh, look at this one. So welcome. There are some vouchers. So let's read that. A hearty welcome to Abel&Cole. So that's the brochure. And what is this? Spinned chili. Oh wow! So I'm not a chili person. So I'll give it to someone who is. They might find it useful. Salad. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Another salad. Love salad. I love salad. I use salad for lunches, just like that, just salad. I add more veg, and that's my lunch really. I use in winter time I add a piece of bread with it, but in the summer time like this I don't use anything with it, just a really large portion of salad, and it will do. Oh, look at this. Well, you know what is this? This is kohlrabi. As a little child growing in Czech Republic, kohlrabi used to be our very popular vegetable. We used to grow it in our garden. Not as big like this. Honestly, I've never seen this big one before. And it's organic. Amazing, isn't it? So usually I see them like halfway, half small, like half portion, half size. Usually they are like half size, but lovely. And I have a hamster, so this you like most likely. Beautiful. Some organic bananas. For fruits. All of these fruits, obviously, I love. We love fruit salads in the summer. Fruit salads, smoothies. So fruit salad smoothies. That's what our fruit goes to. And it looks big, but this is our week shopping really. Cherry tomatoes. It goes with the vegetable salad for lunch. This is not ripe yet, so give it a few more days and it will be ripe. And again, lovely mango for smoothie as well as part of the fruit salad. Oh, this is lovely. A little bit tiny, thought it will be a little bit bigger, but aubergine. I am going to make a new recipe, aubergine spread to bread. You can also cook it, you can also bake it, but I prefer, especially when you have organic stuff, I like to use it raw as much as I can. As you know, once you put it in the oven, you loses lots of nutrients because of the heat. So yeah, so I'm gonna use it in a spread, like a spread. And last item is the organic cucumber, which again is going to go with our salad for lunch. So that's all. Lovely. It's lovely. It feels like Christmas. I really love it. So I'm gonna take a picture of this and place it in the video so you can see all of this food. And how much did it cost? Oh goodness. Yeah, I think it was about 60 pounds worth of produce. Yeah, all of that. Actually, I even have a discount. I think it was 50% off from the first box, so it would have been much more. But good stuff. It's really good. It's really worth to eat healthy without chemicals. You don't know what is in there, and it's very worth it to eat healthily. Okay, I'm gonna put it into the fridge. So, I will see you in another video. Have a lovely day, and I hope you are going to try some organic produce as well. Bye!